Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 45,175 level on May 6, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 44,565. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 46,177 and 43,886 respectively. Technically, the index is likely to remain sideways. The Unity Foods closed at 35.71 level on May 6, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 33.24. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 40.77 and 29.44 respectively. Technically, upside movement is expected. The World Call Telecom closed at 1.53 level on May 6, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 1.48. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 1.84 and 1.29 respectively. Technically, the stock is likely to remain sideways. The TELE card closed at 15.54 level on May 6, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 14.70. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 16.15 and 13.55 respectively. Technically, the stock is consolidating itself. The TRG closed at 165.75 level on May 6, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 166.21. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 177.08 and 155.88 respectively. Technically, the stock may remain range-bound. The GGL closed at 38.77 level on May 6, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 37.64. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 40.78 and 35.99 respectively. Technically, it appears that stock is under consolidation. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.